Welcome back, guys. So today we will understand what is lifting state up means. So in React, whenever you create props, you are able to pass from parent to children very easily. But how to pass the props from children to parent? So to lift that state up, that pattern is known as lifting the state up. So today we'll understand this, how it works and how you are able to do it. So we'll do it in our own app which we created. So here we have search bar. We will, since we have stored the search bar in a separate component, whatever we search here should reflect in our parent component, which is the dashboard. So let's try this. So first we'll go to university's container. Inside there we'll put a prop known as name, or let's name it search, and we'll use it here, search, and Axios query, React query as a similar method similar to use effect. So it always listen to the changes if we mention it here in a dependency array, and it will look for it. So if I'll make it like this, then an object with type, and type is search. So it will always look for search. If there is any change in search, it will make a request then and there only that this is changed. For example, if I make it in a search as India, so what will happen? It will become India and it will search for the name India. So let's run this. It will show some error because we haven't defined the prop types and other stuff. We will also define types now, which had TypeScript's feature. Okay, as you can see, it's showing its required type. So it should be search. What we have in search here in universities. So we can create a state here, search, set search, your state. For first, let's make it empty and keep it search. I'll show you what we are doing wrong also, and we'll do it together. So set search, and now I'll show you in the dashboard. So you can see this is the navbar container. So we want it inside navbar container, not in university's container, but we have to connect both. So what we'll do, so we'll pass this set search function inside dashboard container. Let's name it set search only, set search, and again it has some error. We'll make it set search. Now this set search, okay, it shows that it's not available somewhere. So what we'll do, we'll put it types, type dashboard container type or props, and here we have content, which should be always available. We don't want it to be empty if it's giving React node. Let's try this. There. For now I'll make it unknown. We'll see what it is and we'll check how to give it a type. Set search, which is optional. It's not always available in all the props or all the components, and it should be string. So it should be string or undefined. Content or any, here it's showing, yeah. So here it doesn't have and this is the dashboard's main container. So here it doesn't have type, so it's showing that. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll call it here dashboard container props. Okay, set search is not string, it's a function. I forgot, my bad. Yeah, now it's happy. Now we got it inside dashboard container, inside which we have dashboard navbar. So we'll send search here, search, or better name it something else, on handle search, and we'll give it go inside dashboard navbar. Okay, first of all we'll save it. We'll save that also, and it should give error. Yeah. Now we go to dashboard navbar. We put search, set search here. We'll give a type. Okay, on handle set search. On handle search. Yeah. Now on handle search, what it should do, we go to the search bar, which is here. I'll do on change set search. This is local set search dot target dot value, and here we'll give event, and let's give it a button also. For now I am keeping it a simple button with type submit, and let's give it on submit or on click. On handle search submit. So it should be called, let's name it submit, and let's create this function on handle search submit. Here we have the on. Okay, first of all set search. Okay, set search we already mentioned and it is already there. What we'll do, on handle search whatever we have in search. Now we'll mention const search set search to use state correct. Let's try this. First of all we'll show search here, we'll print search first. So what we'll do, we'll print it in render only, but we'll console log. Testing. Yes, you can see it's showing testing. So we got search. Now we have to put it inside this function, which should work. We'll fix this also, but once we click it, it's happening something. Okay, so now what we'll do, search is empty now. Let's try India. It's showing all the search result which contains India. Let's create Institute of Technology. Okay, Institute of Technology. So our search is also working now. Let's fix this styling issue. So what we'll do, we'll go to the dashboard nav bar, and here instead of this, let's put it here. And looks perfect now. Yeah. Do we have the IT here? Let's try. Okay, it shows. Yeah, seems to be working perfectly. So how it's working? So this is the function which we sent. It contains value, and this is the function which is fetching that value. So this, which is the search bar, is inside dashboard container or dashboard nav bar container. Dashboard nav bar container is in the dashboards container, and the dashboard container is being called in whenever we are calling universities container. Inside universities container, we have the Axios call where it changes. So it lifts that state and puts it here. So I hope you understood this, and do like my video and share it with your friends. Thank you.